Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch heart rate monitor. To check your current heart rate, simply open the heart rate app on your watch. You'll see your live reading instantly. For continuous monitoring throughout your day, ensure your watch is worn snugly on your wrist, about 1 finger width above your wrist bone. This placement helps the optical heart sensor gather accurate data, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. Understanding your heart rate readings is key to leveraging your Apple Watch. For most adults, a resting heart rate typically falls between 60 and 100 beats per minute. Your watch can alert you to unusually high or low rates, which could indicate a health concern. During exercise, your heart rate zones, like fat burn or cardio, help you gauge intensity and optimize your workout for specific fitness goals. Your Apple Watch offers several advanced features for heart rate monitoring. You can customize notifications for high, low, and irregular heart rhythms directly within the Health app on your iPhone. This allows you to receive timely alerts if your heart rate deviates from your normal patterns. Additionally, you can manage background heart rate measurements to balance data collection with battery life and view extensive historical data for long-term trends. To ensure the most accurate heart rate readings, proper watch placement is crucial. Wear your Apple Watch snugly, but comfortably, on the top of your wrist, ensuring the back of the watch maintains good contact with your skin. Regularly clean the sensor on the back of your watch to prevent any buildup that might interfere with readings. Be aware that factors like cold weather or intense arm movements can sometimes temporarily affect sensor performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.